Hi everyone, welcome to the webinar. As always, my name is Eugene and I am the marketing manager here at Akool. If it's your first time here, welcome, welcome. I hope today will be a fun and informational webinar for you. But to those of you that are here regularly, hi Mohammed, hi Rahul. It's been a minute since I've seen you. Thank you so much for joining. How are you guys? Let's see. Okay. As always, if you have any questions throughout the webinar, please ask them. I have my phone right next to me. So I'll try my best to keep an eye out for the questions. And if you're here for the 200 credits, they will be provided at the end of the webinar. A Google form will be sent out. You could just say, hey, I was here, I enjoyed the webinar, or I hated the webinar, it sucked. And we'll take in the feedback and gift you the 200 credits. But imagine a world where every customer interaction feels natural, seamless, and engaging, where AI-powered assistants not only provide quick responses, but do so with the warmth and expressiveness of a real person. This is no longer a futuristic vision. It's happening right now with AI-powered avatar chatbots. For years, businesses have relied on traditional chatbots to handle customer service inquiries. While they have certainly improved efficiency, they often fall short when it comes to engagement. How many times have we encountered a chatbot that couldn't quite understand our question or provided a response that felt cold and unhelpful? It's frustrating. So the truth is, most chatbots still lack the ability to truly connect with customers. That's where AI avatars, powered by cutting-edge conversational AI, are changing the game. At the heart of this transformation is the collaboration between LiveX AI and Akool, bringing together advanced chatbot intelligence and hyper-realistic avatars. These AI-powered assistants are designed to mimic human-like interactions, make conversations feel more fluid, personal, and dynamic. Instead of just reading text on a screen, users can engage with visually expressive AI avatars that react, listen, and respond in a way that feels much, much more natural. So to go in depth of everything I just said, to go in depth into the LiveX AI and Akool collaboration, we have a very, very special guest today. We have Terry, the head of marketing from LiveX AI. Hi, Terry. How are you?
Hi, nice to be with you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining the webinar. I know you have a very busy schedule, so I'm so appreciative of you giving up some of your time to be a part of this webinar and to talk a little bit about the chatbot avatars that we created.
It's very cool partnership, so I'm really excited to be here.
Yeah, thank you. I'm excited to talk about it as well. I don't know if some of you might remember, but we did have this webinar a little while ago, but I just wanted to have it again because there have been a lot of improvements, a lot of updates. So I just wanted to go over some of the updates that we have on our side and maybe some that you have as well. So before we dive into these AI-powered solutions, let's start by getting to know you, Terry, a bit better. Could you share a little bit about your role at LiveX AI and what your team focuses on?
Absolutely. So, like you said, I work in the marketing group at LiveX AI. LiveX AI, we specialize in AI agents that are empathetic, personal, engaging, and also solve real problems very quickly. And we focus on retention from day one. So, as a business needs to engage with their customers, the LiveX AI agent comes in and engages right away, helping them set things up, helping them execute, helping them troubleshoot anything they need. We're there to answer their questions in a very, like I said, empathetic and fun way.
Yeah, no, okay. I wonder if I should just go over, let me, I know that you had a video you want to share. Do you want to share it now or should?
Sure, sure. I'll go ahead. Let me do this. Let me turn off my camera. Bye, everyone, for a minute. And then let me pop over here and share screen and show you guys a little bit more about um, LiveX AI. Just give me one sec to pull this guy up. There he is. So we we have lots of fun ways to interact with consumers. I'm going to show you one here that is kind of talking about what I talked about before, which is this idea that we engage with consumers from day one. So let's see, sharing screen. Where did that little guy go? Share screen. I'm
Yeah,
looking,
resolution.
I'm looking, I found it. All right. So we're going to share screen here over to YouTube. Oh, you
Oh,
know what?
perfect.
I probably have to change that to my desktop because I'm going to make this nice and big. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, I can.
All right, let's try to get this thing to start. Okay, and go.
Oh, I think there's no sound coming through.
Oh, bummer. Okay, you know what? Let me stop it. I'm sorry, everybody. We should
No, no,
have
it's okay. How about
troubleshot
okay?
this.
While you do that, I'll actually share my screen and then go over an example.
Okay, right now it's not letting me stop share. There we
Oh,
go.
okay.
I'm
I'll let
gonna send
you.
you the link. How about that? I
Oh, that
think
works too.
that would work way better. I'm gonna do that right now.
Okay. Before we go into the video, then I'll show an example of the avatars so the viewers can get an understanding of how amazing these avatars are. So there are currently that I know of, there's two. There's one on our website, and of course, there's one on LiveX's website right here. Her name is Alina. And one thing, so one of my favorite things about these avatars and these chatbots is, like I mentioned in the introduction, it's just so much more human-like. It's conversational. It doesn't feel bland. If you ask a question, it will know how to answer. For example, so if you need help with anything, you can just click on the chatbot down here and she
Welcome
will
to
show up.
Akool. How can I assist you today?
And if you don't want to listen to her, you can always just click on this so that way you don't have to listen to her. That's one of the very nice things that have been added. But if, let's say, I don't know how to make a face swap, then I could just ask, how do I do a face swap? And instead of just sending you to articles, she'll think and literally tell you
Here's how to
step
do a
by
face
step.
swap with Akool. Step 1. Upload your photo. Drag and drop your photo or click choose.
She'll tell you step by step exactly how to make the face swap. And if you still need articles, they are down here that you can click on. So I find that so amazing. But one of the things that a lot of you might not know or have tested that I absolutely love about this chatbot is it's not, you don't even have to ask questions about Akool or very simple questions. She wants to talk to you, or it feels like she wants to talk to you. Sometimes, if you're ever bored, or if I'm bored, I can ask. I'll do a voice option too. I can just click on this. Hi, Elena, tell me a joke, but don't tell me the answer yet.
Sure thing. Here's a joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
I don't know.
Because they make up everything.
It's so cool. I find that so amazing that you can just talk to Alina like that. Or you could ask, hi, Alina, what is your favorite movie?
Oh, I love so many movies. But if I had to pick one, I'd say The Matrix is pretty cool. It's all about a digital world and mind-bending realities, which is right up my alley. What's your favorite movie?
It's so amazing. It's just so much more human-like. And because of all of this, this is why, oh, actually, let's see if the video would be a perfect segue. Um, Give me 1 second as I pull it up. Okay, I
I think,
see.
did you get it? I think while you're doing that, the other cool thing is she can be interrupted.
From
She can engage in so many
from
ways.
day
Oh, I'll let you
one.
show the video.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. I'll just do this.
LiveX AI will proactively deliver VIP-level, human-like AI agents, helping users enjoy their experience fully. Ready to elevate your customer experience from the beginning? A LiveX AI agent, accompanied by an optional avatar, will engage your customers to start their journey right.
Welcome to Code Kid. I'm Terry, and I'm here to help you get started. Any questions, Debbie? I can help with that. How old is your child, and have they done any coding? Got it. Let's get started.
From the moment your customers start their journey with you, Terry is there to provide immediate and relevant help, ensuring every setup is smooth and stress-free.
Welcome back, Debbie. I noticed your child started Intro to Coding and did great. I can suggest the next course.
The LiveX AI agent not only reacts to your requests, but also proactively offers assistance based on your progress.
There you go. Have your child try this Intro to Minecraft course. It's fun. What else can I assist you with today? Great. I'm here when you need me.
Every interaction is an opportunity to ensure satisfaction and deepen engagement. With a LiveX AI agent, your customers never just use a product, they experience it, ensuring they continue to engage and find value day after day.
Perfect. Let's see.
Now, from
Yeah, it's amazing. It's I think on your website, actually, let's see. I should have pulled it up earlier, but oh, right here.
Yeah, just go to the top and go to the homepage,
Oh yeah.
and then yeah, click on the logo there and go to the homepage. Perfect. And then yeah, just click book a demo. He comes right up to help you.
Oh, that's very cool. Oh, I like that it just pops up in the middle like this.
Just pops right
Thank you
up,
for your
and she's there to
interest.
talk to you.
I'll help you book a meeting with our
She's
team.
focused on getting the book a demo, which is the action in this case that we're looking for. But it can be any action, which is so cool, right?
Yeah.
It can be guiding them. I used to work at an educational company, ergo the Coda Kid, and parents needed help all the time. Where do I go? What do I do? How do I go next? And your avatar can do that, and it does it in such a friendly, personal way, kind of eye to eye.
Yeah, exactly. And I think let me stop sharing my screen just for a second. Um, it's actually, let me just bring it up again. It's one of the key factors that go into how amazing these avatars are is churn reduction, which obviously businesses should focus on. Looks like there is a case study published on your website. I know there's actually a more recent one that I read. Um, I don't remember where exactly. Oh, I think it's here.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Yeah, more recent one. Churn reduction by 26.4%. That's an impressive number.
It's so
What do
impressive because if you
Yeah.
think about that, that's on if you're doing that on a monthly basis, I mean the compound on an annual basis is huge. This is one of our customers is saving millions in millions and keeping their customers satisfied and happy. And this partnership, bringing the avatar with the generative AI agent, really makes a difference. The combination is really powerful.
Yeah, exactly. It's just customers feel more valued when they engage with these avatars. It just doesn't seem so bland anymore. It's amazing. It's been a while now. At least based on the previous case study, I think at least since October of last year. So it's been a few months, but even I still get really excited or very enthusiastic whenever I talk to the chatbot. It's so cool seeing Alina. In this case, it's Alina.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
But if you don't like her for any reason, let's see. Oh, she's in the way. Let's go to streaming avatar. And then from here, you can see, you can have a test for yourself if you're a business or enterprise that are considering this amazing feature to add to reduce churn and just make the whole experience better for your customers. You can have a test. I'm not logged in, but we have many different avatars you can choose from. For example, we have Tristan, we have Sky. But for a lot of these avatars, you might notice that you need to contact sales. And then once you contact sales, we will be more than happy to book or to show you a demo of how the avatars work. We have different languages you can do. That's another amazing thing. The chatbots, you can change the language of them. So if someone is using your website and doesn't know that much English, which happens very, very often, they can just change it to their preferred language. So again, one of the reasons why it's so beneficial in reducing churn. We have different voices. And if you are interested in a custom avatar, of course, you don't need to use any of the avatars that we provide. If there is an avatar that you want to create, maybe you want to be the avatar, then please contact us and we can figure out and train the avatar model that you would want as your agent. But I think that's most of what I wanted to show you. Let's see. Oh, so for LiveX, so most companies worry about the scalability of these agents. I know that some smaller companies might be interested in implementing these avatars as well. How adaptable is this solution for businesses of different sizes?
Oh, yeah. So that is really important. There's some of our clients, they have millions of customers. So we're dealing with, just so many queries every day, from everything from where's my order to how do I connect this to the internet to, what do you recommend? Right? Everything. And millions of customers asking millions of questions. But we also have customers that have a smaller set of users, but customer experience is such an important aspect of the overall, lifetime value of a customer, that we can handle anything from the small end to a startup that's getting going, that just really wants every customer to have a VIP experience, to millions of queries every day. It's so scalable because LiveX AI is built to be scalable, to grow with a company and to help that company scale.
Yeah, there's actually a question, Eugene and Terry, what is the difference between LiveX AI agent and Akool streaming avatar? Great question. Thank you so much for
Really
asking.
good question.
Yeah, that is a good one. I should have, honestly, described the difference earlier. But for the avatars, the streaming avatar is the avatars are from our side, and the streaming avatar is just a little example of what you can get out of these streaming avatars. The actual chatbot and the knowledge behind all of the questions and inquiries is LiveX. That actually,
We're partners.
yeah, we are partners.
We
That's a
pull the
great
best of
segue.
both of our worlds together to make
Yeah.
a VIP experience that is just, well, let's just face it, it's cool. It's pretty cool. Akool, it's cool.
That's actually a really good question, or a segue into my next question. I wanted to ask, so obviously these chatbots know how to answer the questions. Like I showed earlier, how do I make a face swap? And she knew exactly how to make the face swap. So if a new business wanted to implement your chatbot into their website, how do you train the bots to know how to answer the questions?
Such a good question. So bottom line is, if you think about kind of the old-fashioned way of doing chatbots, you would have, oh, these are the 10 questions we get most of the time. Here are the 10 answers.
Exactly.
And if you posed a question that wasn't in that 10, you got the canned response, which is, I'll have to get you back to you on that, or I can't answer that question, or whatever it might be. With
Hated those.
agents today, with generative AI agents, they can accept and deliver a multimodal interactions. In other words, we can train an agent so quickly. We put in a URL, we put in any kind of sales kits or sales materials, brochures, anything a company might have that talks about their products. The agent takes that information and like, what we see today in any amazing AI, it takes that information and absorbs it. It learns from it. It not only learns from it from the day you enter the info, it continues to learn. It learns based on the questions the person asks. It learns based upon changes to your website. You can feed it videos that you've produced, virtually taken any information that you have about your products and services, and it learns really fast. Therefore, when a customer asks a question, they don't get those answers of, I'm sorry, I can't answer that for you today. And it's based upon real time data that's come from your site, from your inputs, and it can deliver back that data. So how many times have we gone to a site and said, I can't connect to this device to the internet? And they say, well, here's a list of 20 blogs. You go ahead, you read the blogs and find your answer. You're
I hate
oh,
those.
we want to
I
pull
hate
your
those.
hair out. Well, a generative AI agent can isolate exactly what device you're talking about, exactly what your issue is, find the exact video that helps you, and deliver that video instantly to you. So the satisfaction level goes up. The live agents can focus on more complicated tasks because these really easy tasks, or these tasks that used to be harder but now are easy with Gen AI, are answered right away. Did that? I hope that answered the question.
Oh yeah, definitely. Thank you. That was a great answer. But after hearing that answer, I'm sure there are some very eager businesses that are curious on how they can implement this into their website as well. I know I would be if I started my own business, but if
Hey,
they
we're not
wanted
here just to sell, but if anybody is interested, yes, just go to LiveX.ai and book a demo right there. You can talk to Alina and book a demo right on the homepage. But or you can email me. I'm totally cool with that. I'm just gonna put my email right here. It's just Terry@livex.ai. Love to hear from you. We are just so excited about the types of companies that we've been able to help. Everything from Wise to Sub Summit, which is a trade show that uses us to help answer questions, to consumer-based products, Kind. Obviously, you guys are cool. You can see a full list on our website and a lot of fun case studies.
Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to start wrapping up the webinar. But before we end it, I am sending the Google form in the chat, so please fill it out. Let us know that you were here and give us feedback. We are always very happy to receive feedback from you guys. We're only here because of you. So if there's anything that you don't like, please let us know. But with that,
yeah, any recommendations on LiveX too? Go and check out our Elena on our site, and you can ask her all sorts of questions about us. Obviously, she's fully trained, but if you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear those as well.
Oh, another great question. I have another question. What if the AI agent is not capable to answer questions? Is there any way to connect with real human? Yes. So
Great question.
If in the very, very rare chances that it is not able to answer your questions, it usually, at least from my experience, it tells you to email us at info@akool.com, and then that's where normally I get to help you out. And usually when
we also have we're also connected to a lot of CRM systems already. So if you use,
You're right.
anything, then we can automatically send it to a live agent too. We can set it up the way the business wants. To your point, we can set it up with an email. So, Eugene gets to answer the really fun questions, or we can send it to a live agent. There's a lot of ways to handle that. And we don't make you set up a brand new CRM system. We've got all sorts of integrations.
Yeah, no, I don't know. It completely slipped my mind, but most of the times when they're unable to assist, it actually gets sent to HubSpot, and then we have people looking at it through HubSpot as well. And then
Right. We're integrated with HubSpot,
yeah.
Intercom, Shopify, all of those guys, just to make life really easy for the business.
Yeah. But one thing that's really funny is usually when so obviously because it's sent to HubSpot or to my email, I can see the conversation so that way I can help the user as much as possible. Most of the time it's real inquiries, but sometimes I see people having fun with the chatbot. They don't even need help. Sometimes they're just asking it, how are you doing? Sometimes they're complimenting Alina. They're like, oh, you're very pretty. Sometimes they're just asking, like the question that I asked, like, what's your favorite movie? It's the only reason I thought of asking that as an example in the webinar was because I saw someone submitted that as a question to HubSpot. So I find that I read this every day and I find it so amazing that we have this chatbot that's able to think instead of just, like you said, just giving 10 blog answers that you have to go through. The fact that she thinks and gives you answers, doesn't even need to be questions about the website. I find that so amazing. But great question. Thank you so much for asking. But I guess before we end the webinar, before we wrap up, is there any advice or anything you want to share with the audience?
Oh, me?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sorry. I wasn't sure if you were talking about the whole audience. Look, AI we know this. This is no big shocker, but every day it's making new strides. Every day it's just changing the way we do things in a positive way. And we're not here to replace human live agents. We're here to make their life easier. We even have a live agent assist, which allows the live agents to get the answers themselves. So it's really about just making the customer feel like a VIP every single day and every single connection. And I really do think that the combination of, real people and AI agents and avatars just make the engagement and the satisfaction so much better. So, just explore it, check it out, because it's really making a difference.
Well, thank you so much, Terry.
Bye.
Like last time, it was the webinar was really fun for me. I hope it was fun for the viewers. But thank you so much. I know that you have a very busy schedule, so I'm so appreciative that you're able
I
to.
love hanging out with you. Let's do it again.
Maybe I'll see you sometime in real life.
Okay, we'll
That's
have lunch.
Yeah, yeah, please. Okay. Thank you so much, Terry.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.